save this area.
Yeah.
And now we turn right. And next we turn right. Okay. Mm-hmm. That's a good practice to stay in the lane, no?
Yeah.
Don't drive too fast. On the right side we have a kindergarten and a school,
Yeah.
no? Maybe children are there.
Yeah.
That is not right before left.
Yeah.
The parking place. And here you have you go away, no?
Yeah.
It's right before left.
Yeah.
Slow down. But not pump. You pump
Yeah.
the brake and that's not good. Yeah? That is the examiner don't want this. Yeah? Not pump the brake. Yeah? Don't pump the gas and not pump the brake.
Yeah.
So here you have a special situation with right before left.
Yeah, pedestrian.
This car is blocked.
Yeah.
And go, nobody there. And here also the next you have a special situation, like
I'm going fast.
only one way,
Only
not free
one.
for cycles, and you can pass directly. Okay, so now we turn left. Yeah, make place for the others. Now go a little bit on the right then. Don't look there. Safe look is okay, you know, but not more. Because you have here right before left.
Yeah.
Okay, the next we turn right, please. I'll make a U-turn, no? Not
Yeah,
here,
U-turn.
no?
Shall I
Then
go?
you can stop here, and then you can go backwards here, no?
Yeah.
Remember. And make a U-turn. Yes, change the direction. Yeah, someone is